Hi, I'm Astrid. In this video, I'd like to share a really nice, easy Jin Shin Jyutsu self-help hold for happy ears. But before I share the tip, please like, subscribe, and comment below. Let me know how you experienced this hold. And also, share it if you know someone who might benefit from it. Now, in Jin Shin Jyutsu, we have many energy pathways. And we have some very important energy pathways, which we call organ flows. One of those organ flows is the small intestine. Now, the small intestine energy helps with so many different things, but because of the way the energy moves through the body, it goes along the ears and along the face and over the head. Because of that, it helps the ears. If you have congestion in the ears, if you are getting over a cold and it feels that your ears are blocked, like you have water in them, they just feel very uncomfortable. And also, if you want to regulate the pressure in the ears because of a drop in air pressure, like when you're traveling, when you're in a plane, this hold is just a really nice thing to do, very easy and very effective for the ears. So basically, all you need to do is place the left hand over the left shoulder and the right hand on the right chest. So we're working with Safety Energy Lock 11 here over the shoulder and Safety Energy Lock 13 here on the chest. And just close your eyes, relax the hands, and hold for a moment. Now release the right hand, place it over the right shoulder, and just hold here for a moment, holding both left and right Safety Energy Lock 11. And release the left hand and place it on the left chest here at Safety Energy Lock 13. And release the hands, open your eyes. So nice and soothing in so many different ways. So if you'd like to practice more Jin Shin Jyutsu, I offer a weekly group practice session, and there's more information about that in the link below that you can have a look at. So I hope you enjoy this video, and make sure you look out for the next one. Bye for now.